Okay, this is just a quick video to show you maybe how to keep score of something or count how many goes you've had at something. Might be useful for one of your projects. So, we've made a variable called number of goes, or num goes, and we've set it to 0 to start with. And then all we're doing is say, enter some text. Any text, it doesn't matter. Then what we're going to say is the number of goes is now going to change, and it's going to equal the number of goes plus 1. So at the moment, number of goes is 0. So we add 1 to that, so it will now become 1. There is a quicker way of doing this, but we'll look at that in a later lesson. It then prints out number of goes plus our variable number of goes as a string. So hopefully after we've run this once, it should say number of goes equals 1. What we can then do, we can put that in a few more times. So I've copied and pasted that and put it in. So we've now got 4 versions of the same code. Now we could do this with a loop, but again, for this lesson, we're just going to keep it simple. So it asks to enter some more text. It then changes number of goes, which is currently 1, to be 1 plus 1, so it's now 2, and it prints out we've had 2 goes. So if we run this, down the bottom here, we can enter some text, and it says we've had 1 go. We can enter some more text, and we've had 2 goes, and so on until the code finishes. So as I said, this might be useful for keeping score or keeping track of how many goes you've had on things, and you could combine it with an if. So maybe if the answer is correct, then score equals score plus 1. But you know, you're going to need to adapt that to whatever problem it is that you're trying to solve.